Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Scripted Dad. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to claim the PhilCoin wallet airdrop. I'll be showing us how to claim just $5 worth of the token. This airdrop is already listed on Merc Exchange, so it's already trading on Merc Exchange. You can make an instant sale. So this is the current price of the token. This is the current price. I'll just be showing us how to claim right now. I already dropped the link in my channel, so you just have to click on the link. When you click on the link, you'll be directed over to Play Store. You have to download the app from Play Store. For you to get the airdrop, you have to sign up using your Google account. After you sign up using your Google account, you have to create a new wallet. Then you have to complete the KYC verification. After you've completed all this, you can just go ahead to make the withdrawal. I'll just be performing the task right now. I'll just click on the link. When I click on the link, I have to click on this open. So I'll be directed over to Play Store to install the app, but I already installed the app, so I need to just register. I'll just click on this register. When you click on register, you have to sign up using your Google account. You just have to click on this Google account. Then you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use to register. I'll just be going back to login. Okay, I'll just click on this sign in with Google because I registered using my Google account. I'll just click on this. When you register, you'll be seeing this. You just have to enter the referral code here. You just have to go over to my channel. When you come over to my channel, you'll be seeing the referral code here. You just have to click on this copy the code. Then you just go back. You just paste in the code here. The code is already entered already, so I just click on this send button. So after you've registered an account, the next thing you have to do is you have to create a wallet. So you have to create a wallet. I'll just go back to the app. You have to come over to this wallet. Then we'll be clicking on this create a new wallet. I'll just click on this. If I want to create a wallet, my actual wallet will be deleted, so I'll just be cancelling this right now. While you're creating a wallet, you'll be giving it 12 recovery phrase. You just have to copy the recovery phrase, then you have to keep it safe. I'll just be clicking on this. I already have an account, so I already have a wallet. I'll just click on this. I'll just click on all this. This is also the same method. While you're creating a wallet, I'll just click on this and I'll click on this confirm. I'll be asked to enter the pin, so I'll just go ahead to do that. The next thing I'll be asked to do is I have to click on restore my wallet. So while you're creating a wallet, you either select a 12 recovery phrase or 24 word recovery phrase. So I'll just be clicking on this restore my wallet. After you selected the amount of word, so you'll be seeing your recovery phrase. You just have to copy the phrase. You can just keep the word. So I'll just be entering the recovery phrase right now. I'm having 0 worth of the PhilCoin right now because I haven't completed my KYC verification. So I'll just be showing us how to complete your KYC verification. If you've not downloaded the Merc Exchange wallet, I'll be dropping the link in this video description. So you just have to download this wallet because the coin is already listed here. This is the price of the token right now. I'll just be going back. I'll just go over to this wallet. For you to receive the coin, you just have to come over to this your wallet. You have to come over to wallet, then you have to come over to spot. So when you come over to spot, you just have to search for the coin. So you just be searching for the symbol of the coin. So this is the coin, PhilCoin. And just click on this. For you to withdraw the coin, you have to click on this deposit. When you click on the deposit, you'll be seeing your address. You have to select the network. This is the network. So after you've selected the network, you have to generate an address. After you've generated an address, you just have to copy the address. Then you have to go over to the wallet. You have to click on this send. So the next thing we have to do is we have to complete our KYC verification. Immediately we complete our KYC verification, we'll be able to get the reward. And just click on this button. When I click on that, I'll be seeing this verify account. You just have to click on this verify account. So I'll click on this continue button. And just click on this. When you click on the verification, you have 3 steps here. We have to complete the first step, the second step, and also the last step. You have to enter your first name, your last name. You have to select your country. Then you have to enter your phone number. You have to enter your date of birth. So all your details here must be the same on your ID card. You also need to enter your address. You have to select your country. You have to enter your postal code. When you are done filling all this, you have to click on this continue button. After you've done that, you'll be asked to select an identity number. So either select government issued ID card. You can make use of your driver's license or your passport. If you want to make use of your ID card, you just have to click on this government issued ID card. Then you have to enter the identity number here. When you're done with that, you just have to click on this continue button. So I'll just click on this continue button. We have the last step here, which is the upload of your document. So you have to upload your documents here. I'll just click on upload your documents. If you want to upload your documents, you'll be taken over to this page. You just have to click on this begin verifying. I'll just click on this. When we click on that, we'll be able to select our country of our ID card. I'll just click on this. Then I'll just be selecting my country. I'll just click on this select. After I've selected my country, I just need to select the identity type I want to use. I can make use of my driver's license. I can make use of my national ID card, passport, and also the voter's card. If you select your country, you'll be seeing the available documents type. So let's say I selected this country. I'll just click on this select. Then I'll be seeing the available documents type here. So I can make use of any document type here. I'll just be going back. Okay, I'll just select my own country. I'll just click on this. I'll click on this select. Yeah, we just have 4 verification type here. I just need to select the one I want. So I want to go with this national ID. I'll just select this. I'll be asked to take the front picture of the identity ID. I just have to click on this. After I've taken the front ID, I'll also be taking the back ID. I'll just be doing that right now. I've already uploaded the documents. I'll just be waiting for the document to be processed. So the document is already processed. The next thing I have to do is I have to take a selfie. So I just have to click on this get started. I need to move my face left and right, so I'll just be doing that right now. So guys, after you've completed your account verification, you'll be seeing this button. Your KYC verification takes at least 7 days to 10 days to be completed. So you just need to wait for the KYC verification to be approved. I'll just be going back. After your KYC verification has been approved, you just have to come out to this end. So I just click on this. When you click on that, you'll be seeing this referral reward. You'll be seeing this taking reward. So you just have to click on this referral reward. When you come over to the referral reward, you'll be seeing this copy button. To copy your link, you just have to click on this copy. And you also be seeing your referral code. So you can just invite your friend either using the code or the link. So when we scroll down also, we'll be seeing this my reward. You'll be seeing the reward pending. I'm having this particular amount as pending right now. You'll also be seeing this reward ready to claim. After your friend have completed their KYC verification, you'll be seeing the particular amount that is ready to claim. So you just need to scroll down. You'll be seeing this get this reward. So after the reward has been ready to claim, you just have to come out to this get the reward. You'll be seeing this create your wallet, verify your account. After this two has been completed, I'm yet to complete this because my KYC verification is still pending, so I just be waiting a little bit. So after this two has been completed, you just have to come out to this all done. So you must have at least $0.3 worth of BNB in your wallet. It's just a little amount, $0.3 worth of BNB in your account. Immediately you've been verified that you have BNB in your wallet, so you'll be able to claim your reward. You just have to come over to click on this all done. After you've earned the reward, you have to come over to this your wallet. I'm still having 0 worth of the token because my KYC verification has not been completed. So for you to make a deposit of BNB, you just have to come out to this BNB. You click on that. Then you will see the send and receive button. You just have to click on this receive. So you have to copy this address. You have to copy your address, your Web20 address. Then just click on this copy. Then you'll be going over to your wallet to make the deposit. So you just need to come out to your wallet. You have to click on this smart chain. When you click on that, you have to click on this send button. Then just paste in the address you copied. You have to enter the amount. So we want to send $0.3 worth of BUSD. So you can just come over to click on this BNB. You just click on this BNB. So it will change to dollars. Then you just enter the amount. I want to send $0.3 worth of BNB. So I'll just be sending this particular amount of BNB. Then I'll click on this continue button. So immediately I've confirmed the transaction, I'll be seeing the particular amount in my balance. So I just need to wait for the verification. I need to wait for the KYC verification to be approved. After the KYC verification has been approved, you'll be getting $5 worth of the PhilCoin token. So for you to make withdrawal, you just have to click on the PhilCoin. Then when you click on the PhilCoin, you have to click on the send button. So you can either send it to your trust wallet or to the make exchange. So you can either send it to your trust wallet or your make exchange. So you just have to click on the send. And for you to earn more token, you have to come out to this file earn. You have to click on this. You just have to come out to this referral reward. We need to invite our friends. When we invite our friends and they complete their KYC verification, we'll be getting $2.5 worth of the PhilCoin. After they've completed their KYC verification, a particular amount we got to be added to our wallet, that is, it will be added to our balance. So we just need to go ahead to make the withdrawal. You just have to click on this send button. When we click on the send, we'll be asked to paste in the address we want to send it to. So I'll just be going over to my make exchange. When you come over to the make exchange, you have to come over to your wallet. Then you just need to go over to your spot account. You have to click on the spot. And we'll just be searching for the coin you want to receive. So we'll just search for the PhilCoin. So this is the coin. Or you can just search for the symbol. Use the symbol. Yes, this is the symbol. So you just have to click on the coin. After I've clicked on the coin, we'll be seeing this deposit button. You have to click on this deposit. Then we select the network. The network is BEP20. We just select BEP20. So we have to generate an address. I'll just click on this generate address. The address has been generated. I just need to copy this address. Then I'll be going back to the app. So I'll go back to the PhilCoin app. I'll just come here. I'll paste in the address here. So I'll be entering the amount. Let's say I'm having 100 worth of the token. I'll just enter 100 worth of the token. We charge BNB as network fee. The $0.3 worth of BNB you deposited before. A little amount will be charged for me. So what you just need to do is you have to go ahead to click on the send button. Then the particular amount will be added to your account. You will see it at your account. So you just see it at the available balance here. And for you to make withdrawal into your trust wallet, so I'll be dropping the contract address in this video description. So this is the coin on CoinMarketCap. It's already listed. It's already trading on CoinMarketCap. Okay, I'll be dropping the contract address in this video description. So you just need to make use of the contract address. After you copy the contract address, you have to go over to your trust wallet. And I'll just click on this button. So we can just type in any stuff here. You have to click on add custom token. Then we'll be changing the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. I'll just change it to Smart Chain. We'll paste in the contract address we copied. Immediately we paste the contract address, the name, the symbol, and also the decimal will come up. You just have to click on this done button. So the coin will be added. I'm having 0 worth of the coin right now, and this is the present price of the coin. So after you've made the withdrawal, for you to sell, you can just go ahead to PancakeSwap. You can just go ahead to PancakeSwap to sell. So I'll just click on this PancakeSwap. And you can also go over to make exchange to sell. You have to come out to this trade. So when you come out to the trade, you have to select the coin you want to sell. You just have to come over here. Just search for the coin you want to sell. So I'll just search for the Phi token. I'll just click on this. So I'll be selecting sell. I want to sell the coin. I'll just select sell. I'll select an instant market. I'll just click on this market. Then I'll be entering the amount. Let's say I'm having 100 worth of the token. So I just need to go ahead to click on this sell. But I'm having 0 worth of the token right now. So I won't be able to sell. And if you want to sell on Trust Wallet, you just have to come out to PancakeSwap. If the network showing you is still Ethereum, you have to change it to Smart Chain. So you just have to select Smart Chain. I'll be going back. I'll be waiting for the platform to load. After PancakeSwap have finished loading, you have to connect your wallet. Now you have to click on this connect. Your address will be connected to Trust Wallet. You have to select this Trust Wallet. Okay, my address is already connected. I'll be changing this coin from PNB to Phi token. I'll just click on that. Then I can just paste in the coin contract address here. I'll just paste it in. If it doesn't work like this, you can just come over to this money token. but it already worked. So I'll just click on this import or import the coin. I'll click on I understand, import. I've selected the PhilCoin. I'll change the Kyc. I need to select the coin I want to swap to. So I'll just search for, let's say I want to swap to BSD. I'll just select this BSD. Then I'll be entering the amount I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 1000 worth of the token. I'll be getting this particular amount of BSD. Or let's say I want to sell 100 worth of the token. So I'll be getting this particular amount of BUSD. So guys, you just need to go ahead to enable the token. You'll be seeing enable PhilCoin by this particular site. You just have to click on that. After you've enabled it, you'll be seeing swap button by this particular site. So you just have to click on the swap. Immediately you swap the amount, it will be added to your balance. So it will be added to your balance. I'll just be going over to the app, but presently my account verification has not been approved. So I'll just be waiting for 7 to 10 days to be approved. You'll also be seeing the staking reward. For it to stake, we just have to click on that. Then we'll be taken over to this page. We just have to enter the amount. This is the minimum staking amount. So you just have to enter the amount you want to stake. We'll be getting a total of 15%. That is, we'll be getting 7.5% as reward in PhilCoin, and 7.5% will be given back to the community. So guys, thanks for watching this video.